So I'm actually on the way to my garage because he lives literally a minute away from the garage. So I could have actually walked here now that I know how close it is. But yeah, I'm picking up some stuff at the garage so that we could get work done. Just a couple electrical connectors, wiring stuff, maybe some extra wiring. Yeah, so I'm gonna go grab all that right now and then we'll head right back. I don't know how much footage I actually have for the car, so let me start grabbing some more footage. So I got pretty much everything that I need. This thing has everything for like air suspension fittings to Teflon tape to extra fittings, the thing to cut the airline, fuses, wire connectors, some electrical tape. This is to spray the fittings just in case anything is leaking. In here I have all my drills and power tools and a couple wire strippers and stuff like that. So we're ready to go. So we got the compressors in and the computer in and all the wiring tucked. So everything is nice and tucked in. We're gonna clean it up more. That's what I went to go get my tools for. So we got the wire under here, tucked inside. Then we put it under here. The wire goes inside here. And we have it all going all the way to the front. Then, once you tuck it in here, just remove this rubber piece here and put this back, and you can tuck the wire all the way in there. So once you have that done, you'll have the wire here. This is the one for the ignition. I haven't connected it yet, just in case we have an ignition fuse here. We could just tap into that, and if we don't, then I'll run it through inside and we'll tap it to the engine bay fuse box. But for now, got all the wires tucked in here. They go under up there, they're zip tied, and then there is an access port. Let me show you where it's just a rubber grommet. It's right over there where that light is coming through. So it's to the right or to the left of the pedal, left and up. Once you put it through the rubber grommet, it'll come out right through here, right there, and then you'll have the wire up here. Once the wire's here, of course, the black ones, you can put them together, they go to your ground wire, and then combine these by adding the fuses. Add the fuses, and then put that to the positive. And that's pretty much it for the bags wiring. Everything else gets done in the back. Back here, what we have left to do is mount the tank. We're gonna see, I have all the stuff to drill the holes, so we'll see what we'll do. But we're thinking about mounting it up here somewhere. Actually looks pretty good with the black and black. So that's the last thing we have to do down here. The wire's tucked under here, so we're gonna clean all that up and have everything clean. There won't be any wires when I'm done. I'm gonna drill a hole right under here. I got my tools. So we got the tools for. So first we're gonna start off with a small hole, and then we're gonna make it bigger. These are the drill bits that we're using here. So we're gonna make it like right here. So you wanna start off with a small hole first like that. And then move on to the big one. Alright, let's see if you fit them.
From the top to the bottom.
So now, what we want is basically so this is what we're gonna do, so that the wire comes in. Then we'll put tape on here, so that's you don't even see it. So yeah, that's the idea. So everything's looking pretty good back here. The only thing we have to do now is mount. We gotta mount the compressors real quick here. I made this hole here so that we can run the manifold wiring. Under here, we have the power and ground for each compressor. And then under this, we have the rest of the wiring relay. So I just zip tied it away here, both relays here. And then here I taped it because this tends to slip out most times. Zip tied, everything is good. And then this goes all the way back to the front of the car. So back here, under here, it's nice and clean. So all the wiring is tucked. No wires are exposed at all. Now we just gotta mount the tank. And then we just wait for the airlines to come in. All right, boys, so another successful install. As you can see here, everything is done. We mounted the tank, mounted the compressors. We gave them free filters for these compressors. There weren't any here and you need them. We tucked the wires, we ran the airlines, tucked the wires for this, ran the airlines here. The only two lines that are out are these two right here for the tank and the compressor, and that's just because the clips are missing for here for the car. If they weren't, they'd be nice and covered through up here, but for now we'll have it there. This is how it's looking.
Bye, have a beautiful time.